Okay. Attention. This is going to be the Fast and Furious. The Fast and the Furious. Okay, you guys? Distributive property. Yes. Okay, so you guys, whenever you have, okay, parentheses. Okay. What does parentheses mean? Multiply. Okay. So I want to remind you that whatever I do in the video, you have to do in your notes. Yes. Okay. So I don't care if it's corny. Do it anyway. Okay. So this 3 is being multiplied to whatever is inside. Okay. And so you're going to take your pencil, lapis, okay, and you're going to draw 2 arrows. Do it now. I don't care if it's corny. Do it now. Method to the madness. Okay. Why? Because so many times students take this term 3 and multiply it to the first term and forget the second term. Okay? So let's not do that to ourselves. Okay? So 3 times 2x gives us 6x, and then a positive times a negative gives us a negative, and then 3 times 8 is 24, and you're done. Yes! It is that simple. Okay? Now, let's do the next example. 4. 4 is being multiplied to what's inside. So take your pencil and draw your 2 arrows. Okay? Super easy. 4, positive 4 times negative 2. A positive times a negative gives me a negative. And 4 times 2 is 8. 8 what? 8y. Okay? Bring the variable with you. Okay? Now, 4 times 3 is 12. And we're done. Very good. Oh, sorry, forgot to circle that. All right, moving on. Now, here we have this negative symbol, okay? Now, teachers teach this one of 2 ways, okay? Now, a lot of teachers, okay, say that even though it's not there, there's a 1 there, and what you're doing is you're distributing the negative 1. You're multiplying a negative 1 to the 2 terms inside. Totally fine. Totally fine. Okay, but I want you to take on, okay, the Hutchinson way. Take on the way I'm about to describe it to you, okay? So here we have the negative symbol. This negative symbol also means give me the opposite, okay, of what's inside, all right? So what is the opposite of a negative 4b? Positive 4b. Yes, yes. It is that simple. What is the opposite of a positive 10? Negative 10, and you're done. Fabulous. Moving on. Now, oh boy, we're dealing with a fraction. Do not freak out. Not a problem, okay? Fraction. How you handle the fraction, okay? We're still going to distribute. Draw your arrows. Go for it, okay? We're still distributing. Okay, but you guys, okay, we need to handle the fraction in a very special way. Okay, so at this time, carpe diem and get another colored pen, ink, marker, highlighter, if you will, whatever. Go with the flow. Be in the moment. Okay, and I want you to draw another arrow pointing to this denominator. So what we're going to do, folks, here's the technique, okay? We're going to multiply the numerator, and we're going to divide the denominator. So go ahead and put an X that symbolizes multiply, and then down here put a division symbol that represents divide, okay? So let's try it. Now, put down the pens and pencils and listen as I do it this first time so you don't miss it, okay? So this is a negative times a positive. Take care of the symbol first. Get that out of the way. So a negative times a positive gives me a negative. So we already took care of that, right? So now we say 2 times 6 is 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 what? 4y. Let me say that again, okay? We should all be oohing and ahhing. Yes. Ooh, ah. Okay. So you multiply the numerator. 2 times 6 is 12. Divide with the denominator. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 what? 4y. Okay? Let's try it again. A negative times a negative gives me a positive. So put the plus. Okay? Now, 2 times 12 is 24. 24 divided by 3 is what? 8. Yes, and you're done. Yes! Shazam! Okay, and there you have it, folks. That is the distributive property. Next video.